So, fat loss is 80 to 85% nutrition, 7 to 10% physical activity, and 7 to 10% sleep or rest. Now, if you are doing 85% correct, and if you're ignoring the rest 15%, that is one of the reasons why you are stuck. There is a lot of information out there when it comes to food and nutrition, what to eat, what not to eat, what diet fashions to follow, what diet fashions not to follow, what is sustainable, what is not sustainable. But what about the physical activity and the rest? See, our bodies are meant for moving, right? We have muscles, we have bones, and they are supposed to move. We are not potatoes who are supposed to be couching all day or be sitting in the chair staring at a screen, maybe a big or a small screen. That's not what we are made for. We are human beings. We are animals in a sense that we need to move around. So when I talk of physical activity, I am not saying go to the gym tomorrow and start lifting the heaviest dumbbell you ever had lift in your life and spend 2 hours every day. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is you need to incorporate at least 30 minutes to 1 hour of physical activity. Even if it means a slow walk at night or a refreshing walk in the morning or just some stretching over a period of entire day, maybe 10 minutes stretch here, 10 minutes stretch there. Get up from your seat and walk 10 steps, walk 100 steps, walk 200 steps, but do some physical activity. And don't do it from a place of stress, don't do it from a place of grudges throughout the day that you held on, from frustration or from anger. Do it from a place of calm and peace and relaxation, but do it. I think we are not that invested in our careers that we cannot spend 30 minutes to 1 hour of an entire 24-hour day just for ourselves, right? So you can do it. I know your life is busy, but you can do it. 30 minutes to 1 hour, it's not a big deal to ask for. Do it. Because if you're eating the right food and you're not giving the body the ability to process it faster, the ability to refuel it in terms that it will help your body, then you're doing a disservice to yourself. Secondly, sleep or rest, right? We as humans need the rest. I know there are people who thrive on just being insomniac and just probably napping for an hour or 2 hours. Well, they are just extraordinary cases, right? They are just one in a million, and they want to pride themselves on that, and they want everybody else to do it. But not everybody is cut out for that. If you are not, accept it. It's okay to sleep for 8 to 9 hours a day. That is the time our brains, our minds, our physical body, our organs need to refuel, re-energize themselves. Your body will scream for it. So give it rather than depriving it. Get a good 8 hours sleep or a 7 hours sleep every night. Stay away from your mobile phones or your laptops at least 1 hour, if not 2 hours, before you go to bed. Stay away from it. Shut it down and keep it there. Do a service to yourself. Your body needs it. You owe it to your physical body because it is helping you to achieve your goals on a daily basis, right? So these are the 3 basic pillars. I will talk about them in detail later on, but for now, keep going. You're on the right path.